Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to use this distance sensor to measure the distance and display that on the OLED that looks like a ruler or a measurement tape. This was requested by one of my viewers, so I'm making this video for him. But also, if you find this helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Now let's talk about the component. So right here, I'm using the text passion shield, which is this piece over here. But if you don't have this or you don't want to know how this works, you can still just use an Arduino, the distance sensor or the ultrasonic distance sensor over here, and then an OLED. If you don't have an OLED, that's not a problem because you can just still display the numbers on the serial monitor using your PC. So that can still work. Now, let's talk about the wiring here quickly. So the distance sensor is connected to pin 6 and 7. The OLED is connected to A4 and A5. I will leave all these in the description as well as a link to the code so you don't have to memorize anything. Of course, don't forget to connect the voltage, which is the VCC, to 5 volt and the ground. This is the Arduino, so I'm using an Arduino Nano, as you can see over here. This is the text passion shield. I have a separate video explaining how this works. I will also leave it in the description. Let me get this out of the way and show you how this works. So as I move my hand, you can see that I'm measuring the distance in centimeters, inches, and millimeters, then displaying that on the screen with some visual that looks like a ruler or a measurement tape. So as I move my hand, you can see the numbers are changing and also the measurement showing that being reflected on the OLED. Very simple, really easy to make. And again, I will leave all the stuff you need in the description, and I will leave a link to the component if you want to buy them. So that should be it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.